welcome to the R44 channel. Today we've got quite a cool car behind us. We've got a Toyota Supra A90. This is a GR Pro, I think, so it's a full spec. But as you can see, it's got yellow DRLs. So that's what we're going to show you how to install. We're going to put this car on the ramp. Well, we already have actually. That's the honest truth here. But we just installed them. They're actually really simple. You just got to take the arch liner out, take a couple screws from the top, pull down a bit of plastic, pull the module out, change them over. Everything comes prepared. We have a rest of the world kit as well as a US kit. So it works with the side lights that you have on the US cars. But as you can see, it looks cool. I think, yeah, yellow DRLs do some massive amounts. But if you have a yellow car, what we want to see is a yellow car with yellow DRLs. When you buy them, send us your photos, hit the review button. But yeah, watch this install guide and watch the video. See you later.